aeroplane which is going everywhere. That's the reason there is so much noise in the room. And this noise is always going to be there in this room because this aeroplane never lands. Ice cream! What is this?
Ice cream.
What is it? Ice cream!
Oh.
No, I'm buying a stroller. I'm in the pearl shop right now and I'm buying a necklace. These pretty ladies are making my necklace right now. We finally got a baby stroller and my husband he's done with his shopping for the day. I don't know how our parents manage it. For us, just having one kid is such tiring sometimes. So look at the happiness on my face. Look at the irony of the situation. And I can't even say him no and anything because. But if we have to buy if we have to buy it, it would be a pain. Definitely pain because we already have 2 strollers back in Singapore. 2 strollers, and this is going to be 3rd. Finally, the shopping for the whole family. My son's shoes are the cutest, and then my husband took 2 pair of shoes and I got 1 pretty pair of shoes from this shop. And right now my husband is paying the bill and my baby is sleeping. Hey guys, I'm showing you my outfit of the day. I'm wearing this American Eagle ripped shorts or de-stressed shorts, my Crocs. That is the only shoes that I bought for this travel. I'm wearing this t-shirt that I got before coming from Singapore. I'm wearing a little bit of jewelry on my arms. We are going out shop. Okay, mama is going. So we are just heading out to withdraw some cash and then we are gonna take taxi and we're going to go to the Green Hall shopping.
Green Hills.
Green Hills Shopping Center. It's in the morning. We just had breakfast and we are going early so that we can come back early. Done with the cash withdrawal. Finally, we could withdraw the cash from ATM because we are using our Singapore cards. And it is very close to our hotel where we are staying. After 2 weeks, we realized that this is such a close by place. And this is BDO. I don't know what is that. Anyways.
Banco de Oreo.
Banco de Oreo. That's what my husband says. So now we need to catch Uber.
Uber or we just
Oh, we can just catch any regular taxi.
और कोई खड़ी भी नहीं है ना, फिर हम लेट हो
So we got into the taxi and look at this taxi, man. It has all this red seats. We didn't take Uber. We just took a nearby taxi which has meter. So we're going to pay meter plus extra 50 peso. But that's fine because it is traffic hours. So that's it. Look at the colors, man. Red taxi.
Father's Day. Ayan, kayo. Mula sa inyong kamag-anak.
The Green Hill Shopping Center. I am so excited. Look at this. I got a very pretty basket for my makeup room to keep makeup. And we have these pretty flowers at the back end. And you know, we spent whole of the travel without a baby stroller. My husband managed to do everything, but today he wants, look at this beautiful orchids. Today he wants to buy a baby stroller. So in between my shopping, I'm leaving everything and we are searching for a baby stroller. Look at the irony of the situation. And I can't even say him no and anything because I just cannot. So we are looking for a baby stroller now on the last few days of our Philippines travel because my husband wants to buy a baby stroller.
Baby stroller shop.
Baby
Stroller.
Baby stroller.
Yeah.
Over there, sir. One more.
So let's see. I wish we could find a renting shop where we can rent the stroller for the whole day because in Mall of Asia we had this option of renting it for the day. If we can find another rent shop, that would be awesome and that will solve the problem. But if we have to buy it, it would be a pain. Definitely pain because we already have 2 strollers back in Singapore. 2 strollers, and this is going to be 3rd. Oh God. Bringing up kids or growing up kids is so difficult task. I don't know how our parents manage it. For us, just having one kid is such tiring sometimes. Just got a stroller. I think my husband found his gadget. He has been wanting this, and this is a very lightweight stroller, foldable. just for the travel
Easily
purpose.
Foldable, yes.
So I think he says we can use it in the future as well.
Be careful.
Yeah, be careful.
You can cut your finger.
You are going to handle it. I'm not going to handle it, but be careful.
Wow.
Be careful. Do you really want this one or you want the other one?
We'll see. I think this one will. When my baby sits, he won't be comfortable. Sit up because this will tear off.
This won't tear off. I've seen many people using it. This won't tear off, but it is not a comfort like the other strollers. It's just to make your baby sit in travel time. And this is like, for timing it's okay, because even if it, I think it's okay because we don't have much option. Either we can take this. Would you like pink? We cannot buy for our son, otherwise everybody will think that he's a girl. And then this one, by the way, these are from Golden Baby, another is red, so we don't have much options. We only have like out of these three. So look at the happiness on my face. We finally got a baby stroller, and my husband he's done with his shopping for the day. Yeah, so he just wanted a baby stroller badly, because I understand he, poor guy, gets tired carrying my baby, and my baby is super naughty and he gets very stubborn at times. When his father is with us, he doesn't want to come with me. It's like such a behavior, I think, just because he spends whole of his day with me. So when he has his dad, he doesn't want to come to mother. The moment his father steps out of the your husband my husband steps out of the house, my son sticks to me like glue. He kisses me, hugs me, and he is like full mama's boy. But when his dad comes home, his dad's boy. So this is the stroller, look at it. And we got it at a good price. It's almost 50 Singapore dollars only. So it's cool, very cheap actually.
Okay.
Yeah, it's good price, and we thought we chose the lighter one. We actually got some hooks. If you see, I'm carrying in my hands. They didn't have the stroller hooks. We use actually stroller hooks in Singapore, which carries my handbag and other bags, but they didn't have it. But for you pay for what you get, or you get what you pay for. So it's a good one. At least it will pass through the next few days. So that's it. So we are going back to the other mall, and I need to buy some important stuff, so I'll catch you guys later. So I'm in the pearl shop right now and I'm buying a necklace. These pretty ladies are making my necklace right now, and I've taken this red beads crystal necklace. So they're making a 7-string necklace for me. So I'm waiting for that, and my husband has gone out with my son for a stroll, and look what. Just look at it. There's no point of buying a stroller because my baby wants my husband to carry him, and they just went to buy some juice or ice cream or something, I don't know. I had some bread in my handbag in a silver foil or aluminium foil, so he ate that. Now he doesn't want to sit here and wait for this thing to happen, so they have gone for a stroll, and I have the stroller with me. There's no point of buying a stroller. I was sure that my baby is not going to sit on there, so I'm waiting for them to finish before we can go to other places. Ice cream! What is this?
Ice cream.
What is it? Ice cream! Oh wow, ice cream! Ooh, ice cream! Ice cream! So now we are going to have our lunch here. This is a fast food store, halal, Persian, Indian, Mediterranean, Filipino foods. So we just ordered our food. I think my husband ordered chicken biryani or something. And that's their kitchen there, that small door. And just now I bought some tender coconut. That's all. We are waiting for the food. I'm having this awesome cheese potato fries. They have little bit of spice in them. If you can see, it's super delicious. I'm almost done with my shopping. I have all my shopping bags on my stroller. I think this is the only thing we are using it for because my baby doesn't want to do anything. Right now he's sitting there and playing with Play-Doh. And let me show you. So yeah, he's sitting there and playing with the Play-Doh and having my cheese fries.
Welcome to the Philippines.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I love Philippines. I'm enjoying my stay here. You guys are very kind. Thank you.
Oh yeah, you got take one. So, how much does it affect, sir? Something like this one, sir. Maybe it's maybe 20% off.
Yeah, you take whatever you want, baby. I was here only, baby. Don't scream. So the shop is called the Shoe Center, your lifestyle place. And there are girl section. I'm waiting for my turn for shopping. Once my husband is done, it's my turn. Finally done shopping for the whole family. My son's shoes are the cutest, and then my husband took 2 pair of shoes and I got 1 pretty pair of shoes from this shop. And right now my husband is paying the bill and my baby is sleeping. So we are done and we are ready to go home. My baby is sleeping. We will just grab a taxi, go home, have some coffee, probably in Starbucks, and let's see what we do rest of the day. So this is the aeroplane which is going everywhere. That's the reason there is so much noise in the room. And this noise is always going to be there in this room because this aeroplane never lands. It always has to take off and land non-stop. So just look at it. Hey guys, I'm back to the hotel now and I had an awesome shopping day today and awesome time with my family, and while coming back I also got my jump, so I have stomach ache now. My legs are paining so badly. I put them in hot water for some time so that I can relax. I came back, opened everything. It's my usual habit whenever I do shopping and come back, I take out stuff, everything, and look at it, organize and keep it. I just don't just throw things because it makes me, first of all, I check that everything that I shopped and paid for is back home safely. It confirms that. Secondly, it gives me immense satisfaction that I have shopped this much items which I so much love. Because you know, I shop something which I totally love. Until and unless I am 100 or 1000% satisfied, I don't pick stuff. That's why it takes time sometimes to shop a lot. And if you see any background noise like that's my son playing with his aeroplane and it's like going up in the sky. That's what he'll do. So that's it. That's my usual life. Nothing much exciting or entertaining because, you know, with the baby you are always tied up, a lot of things to do. But I hope you guys enjoyed the glimpse of Philippines, and if you're planning your travel to come here, maybe you get a little bit idea of stuff. And since my aeroplane is making so much of noise, I need to keep this phone. I hope you guys are doing well and enjoying your life, and always remember I am there for you. I love you guys a lot. Drop me a message. Maybe I not reply immediately, but I will try to reply later. And even if I'm not able to reply, I am reading all your messages. Thank you so much. And I also shared my day on Snapchat, which doesn't come on my vlog. I do a Snapchat videos which are random on the spot video sharing. So try out Snapchat and follow me as Super Princess Jo. See you in my next video. Bye.